You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today. Co-marketing deal between Glenmark Pharmaceuticals and Mankind Pharma for diabetes drug. Mankind Pharma has signed a licensing pact with Glenmark Pharmaceuticals to co-market diabetes drug remogliflozin etabonate in India. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals to manufacture and supply, Mankind Pharma to market the drug under its own trademark. Allergan receives US FDA approval for Ubrelvy for the acute treatment of migraine with or without aura in adults. Ubrelvy is the first and only oral CGRP receptor antagonist FDA approved for the acute treatment of migraine. Quiz question: which blockbuster pharmaceutical drug by Allergan recently celebrated 30 years? Lipitor, Humira, BOTOX or Keytruda. FDA approves first generics of Eliquis tablets. The FDA granted approval of the generic apixaban applications to Microlabs Limited and Mylan Pharmaceuticals Inc. US repeals the medical device excise tax. The medical device industry secured a win with a full repeal of the medical device tax, which amounted to 2.3% tax on a range of medical devices and products. BOTOX celebrates 30 years of endless innovation. BOTOX and BOTOX Cosmetic proudly hold 14 therapeutic and aesthetic indications combined, more than any other neurotoxin in the world. Malvinder Singh, former Fortis healthcare promoter, arrested in another case related to alleged misappropriation of funds at Religare Finvest Limited. RFL alleged misappropriation of funds by the Singh brothers in connivance with the employees of Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Roche enters licensing agreement with Sarepta Therapeutics to improve the lives of patients living with Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Sarepta is eligible to receive up to $1.7 billion in regulatory and sales milestones plus royalties on net sales. Eliquis Pharmaceuticals announces US FDA final approval for Travoprost ophthalmic solution USP 0.004%. The approved ANDA is therapeutically equivalent to the reference listed drug product Travatan ophthalmic solution 0.004% of Alcon Pharmaceuticals Limited. Vive Healthcare, the global specialist HIV company majority owned by GSK with Pfizer Inc. and Shionogi Limited as shareholders, receives complete response letter from US FDA for the use of investigational cabotegravir and rilpivirine long-acting regime in the treatment of HIV. The reasons given in the CRL relate to chemistry, manufacturing and controls. Johnson & Johnson Private Limited slapped with penalty order by the National Anti-Profiteering Authority. The order relates to GST profiteering by the company. For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites. And for quick pharma industry updates, download Pharma State app.